Hello guys, Rob here. Do you have your EOS account hooked up to resolve to a website yet? This is using EOSDNS, EOSDNS.io, and let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So let's just type in one of my EOS accounts, EOS Newswire 1, and then you put .eos instead of .com or .whatever. So this is an actual EOS account. And then I have it hooked up to DNS, so I put .eos at the end in the Chrome web browser. And once I give it a second here to resolve, it pulls up EOS Newswire.1. So this is all done through the EOS DNS, and you do need the extension installed right now for this to work. It is a Chrome extension, right? Just install it, and then you'll be able to input EOS accounts into the Chrome address bar up here. And those EOS accounts will resolve to websites if they are hooked up to EOS DNS. So I just want to go through how simple and easy this is. This is really cool. Right now I have the rob@hodleos EOS account attached via scatter to EOS DNS. And I want to make this account resolve to my Twitter, the hodleos Twitter. So I'm just going to take the hodleos Twitter URL, copy that. Come over to EOS DNS, click on Set DNS. And since I can't set the DNS records for Twitter itself, I'm just going to redirect to website. So paste that in where I want it to redirect. So then I'm going to be redirecting rob@hodleos EOS account to twitter.com/EOSHodle. Click on that, scatter will pop up. And rob@hodleos EOS account resolving with the name rob@hodleos.eos, HTTP redirect to twitter.com/EOSHodle. Allow. This does take up RAM, and I don't have enough, so let me add some RAM to this account, and I'll be right back. Alright, I bought some RAM on this account, so we should be ready to go. Have plenty of RAM. Let me copy the web address I want it to redirect to, paste it in. So we're going to be redirecting the rob@hodleos EOS account to the hodleos Twitter, and click the button, scatter will pop up, allow. There we go, redirect added. So now when I go to rob@hodleos EOS account.eos, when I put that into the Chrome address bar, click enter, it redirects to the hodleos Twitter account. There we go. That's how simple and easy it is to do. Everything is done through the EOSDNS.io page. It adds just another use for your EOS account. So again, in order for this to work, you do need the Chrome extension installed. And then once you connect via scatter on EOSDNS.io, simply click Set DNS. That brings you down to the DNS settings. Whatever account you have attached via scatter will be down here as well as up here. And then you put in the URL you want that account to resolve to. So rob@hodleos is resolving to the hodleos Twitter. So if you guys have done this, pop your EOS account down in the comments because I want to see where they go. And if it's to your Twitter, I'll give you a follow. That's going to do it for this quick one, guys. Just wanted to share EOSDNS.io and show you how to set it up. Super simple and easy to do. If you do search EOS Newswire 1.eos, that'll take you to EOS Newswire.1. And now if you put in and look up the EOS account rob@hodleos.eos, that'll take you to the hodleos Twitter page. So that's it. Make sure to check out EOS Newswire.1 and give hodleos a follow on Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next one.